Sat Shri Akal ji, and welcome back to Girls PT. At this time, this is more important than ever to boost your immunity. Especially because we are staying at home and we have no excuse whatsoever not to exercise. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys top 5 exercises that you can do at home very easily to boost your immunity. This is the first video of the series called Boost Your Immunity. So that you don't miss out my future videos related to this topic, make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also press on the bell icon next to it. That way you will always receive a notification whenever I post a video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video.
As we all know, it is super important to warm up before exercise. You can do spot jogging. And for today's exercise session, warming up your legs and knees is very important. If you get pain in your knees while doing squats, it is because knees are not warmed up properly. This is one of the best ways to stop the knee pain. I do this exercise every day to strengthen my knees in general. After a good warm-up session, now it's time to exercise. Our first exercise is going to be 2 squat pulses with a side step out. So squat, squat and a side step. Squat, squat and a side step. So in this exercise, along with the squats benefit, we are also working on our core.
So you have to do this exercise continuously for 60 seconds.
You can set a timer and do this exercise for 60 seconds. So during these 60 seconds, don't focus on the number of squats, pay close attention to the form. Don't forget to keep yourself hydrated. That is going to boost your immunity.
So now let's move on to exercise number 2.
For the second exercise, get to a straight plank position and hold it first. Bring your right foot up and open. Move back to plank position and then bring your left foot up and open. So we are doing lunges but in a less aggressive way. Do this exercise for 60 seconds. If you're not comfortable doing it for 60 seconds, reduce the time as per your convenience.
So after those 2 exercises, let's move on to exercise number 3.
And the next exercise is going to be side step and then straight leg back, and side step and straight leg back. This way you're working on your core without doing crunches.
Let's move on to exercise number 4.
Our fourth exercise is going to be squats. And the fun part is we are going to do 100 squats without any break. To make it more fun, I invited my son to join me. And he was super excited to be part of this video. Squats might look super easy, however, it is very important to do it right. So before attempting it, make sure you learn the form first. And just after 2-3 squats, this is what he said. Last but not the least, legs up the wall pose. It is more of a yoga pose and it is super fun and easy to do. It relieves stress and anxiety, which in turn is going to boost your immunity.
High five. Do that now. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss out the future video. So on that beautiful and happy note,
and I see you. Bye-bye.
Bye.